Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video I want to talk about the React doctor. AI writes code and React doctor makes it better, right? And there is a lot of bad code, React code on the internet. So of course the AI agents are being trained on this data and we need to find a fix. So for this, where React Doctor shines, the missing layer between React debugging and AI agents. First of all, we need to do a deep diagnosis. Secondly, we get health score. Then we can do plain English explanations. We prevent bad code before merging. Perfects for AI agents and provide structured rules and feedback so AI agents can write better React code, and it's a continuous improvement loop. Detect, understand, fix and validate. There's also a skill that you can install actually. Here you see a UI skill that can be installed, so I would recommend to do so. So when we go to, for example, here anti-gravity, I can do something like this. React doctor then we can ask the React doctor to start using the React doctor. You see here that is starting the React doctor, right, with npx -y React doctor at latest -- version, and you will wait for its completion. He will come up with a plan, and then you can approve it, and then you can see what he does. And that's the thing that I normally like on it. Then you can create your judgment on it, and you can very easily move on with it, right? So that's just very cool and very nice. So after he's done, you'll see here that he says performance, move the glow colors, static mapping outside the model components, accessibility, add through the dialog elements to resolve the missing ability name warning. Also a little bit of performance. Indication service, update the bearer token, parsing, subscreen and guard. So we have some small improvements right here. Then we can proceed. Then you can implement it, you can test it, you can see that he solves it with the npx React doctor. So it's a little bit of a loop, right? So that's all nice. You see here saying compare scans, so that's I've completed the code improvements, and on the based implementation plan all 13 target React diagnoses were successfully resolved. Type safety, unit 3 scan confirmed that React doctor now reported 0 findings for the modified files. We can find detailed summary of the changes and the walkthrough elements. So, and then you'll see here walkthrough what it did, which is cool. And of course here you can see what we need to test or what we need to do, right? So That's cool. So I think React Doctor is really a cool tool to help you when you're doing the AI agentic coding. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you're gonna use React Doctor. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.